Hi students, welcome to Technogate. In the last class we have discussed about the file access methods. In this class we will discuss about the directories. Okay, what is meant by directory in files? Directory is nothing but it stores the different types of files. Okay, multiple files will be stored in the directory. Directory stores multiple files in it. Okay, and it organizes the files. Okay, it stores and it organizes the files. How it will be organized? For this organization we are having different ways. One is single level directory. Okay, second one is two level directory, and third one is tree or hierarchical level. Let me write another page. Organization of file, organization of files will be done in single level directory, two level directory, tree or hierarchical level directory, acyclic graph, and general graph. Okay, single level directory, two level directory, tree or hierarchical level directory, acyclic graph and general graph. Let's see one by one. First one is single level directory. What happens in single level directory? There's different. Okay, this is a database or directory 1. So in this directory 1 we are having directory 2, directory 3, directory 4. Okay. Okay. This is master file directory, root node, or else we also call it as master file directory or root node, master or root directory. Okay, this is user level directories. So we cannot change the master or root level directories, but we can change the user level directories, and also we can access the user level directories. So this single level, only master level, root level and user level directories are present in the single level directories. This is one way of organizing the directories. And in two level directories, directory 1, two levels will be present. Okay, D2, D3 and D4, two levels will be present. Okay, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7, three level directories will be present. So this is called as root directory. Okay, root level directory. And this is called as master file directory or master file directory. We can also call it as MFD. Okay, and this is called as user level directories or user file directories. We can also call it as UFD. Okay, root directory, master file directory and user file directories. And next one is tree or hierarchical level. Okay, it will be present in the form of tree. Okay, it is formed in the form of tree. This is root level. Okay, root level directory. These are file level directory. And these are subdirectories. It is present in the form of trees. Okay, root level directories, file level directories and subdirectories. The naming is very important. See, in the 2-level directory we will call it as this master file directory and user file directories. Here root will be common, file level directories and subdirectories. Okay, like we will call it as leaf nodes and non-leaf nodes in normal trees. Here we will call it as nodes are called as file levels and root nodes are leaf nodes are called as subdirectories. Next one, acyclic graph. Acyclic graph and this general graph. Next file is this one is acyclic graph and next organization is general graph. This both will work out like check. It works like it checks always. It works for the purpose of checking the files not to be present in different directories. Files should not present in multiple directories. Files should not be present in multiple directories. Okay. In the acyclic graph, it always works on the system, like it continuously checks that files should not be present in the multiple directories and it checks, okay, or else it will not allow to form loops or cycles. It will not allow to form loops or cycles. Okay, like directory 1 is there. Now it is forming a cycle. So this is not a acyclic graph. This is, as it is forming a cycle, say D1 to D2, D2 to D4 and D, again it is forming a cycle. A loop is formed here. So loops or cycles will not be allowed in the acyclic graph. So only trees will be available, D4. It is not looped to D3 again. Okay. But in general graph, directory, it forms loops. It allows loops or cycles. What general graph will do? General graph will also do the same thing. Okay, it checks like files should not be present in multiple directories. Files should not present in multiple directories. Okay, it allows loops. It allows continuous loops and cycles. This is about the general graph directory. So what are the different directories? Single level directory, two level, tree or hierarchical level, acyclic and general graph. These both working is same, but it allow loops. Sorry, it does not allow loops. It allow loops. General graph allow loops. Okay, this is about the directories in the file management system.